11 KB5034123 January 2024 update. Install user flag installation issues. Windows 11 January 2024 update KB5034123. The year first update won't install for some people and nobody knows why. Microsoft officially documentation suggests the company isn't aware of the installation issues which have been widely reported across its forms as first ported by Windows latest this month. Big security KB5034123 for Windows 11 is unable to install due to vague error message, with 0x800F081F being highlighted by more user. In Feedback Hub, user also flagged other installation errors like 0x801888309. One user explained that they tried running Troubleshooter but it did not work and the update still won't get installed. It's unclear what's preventing the installation, but we have received reports from many users claiming that it's nearly impossible to install Windows 11 January 2024 update. One Reddit user wrote, "The newest update that I am aware of, KB5034123, refuses to install no matter what steps of troubleshooting are followed. Looking in my update history, this update has been trying to install since it was released and failing for no discernible reason. In some cases, the update reaches around 25% and installation falls with the following error message. 2024-01 community update for Windows 11 version 22H2 for x64-based system KB5034123 download error 0x80248014. In our test, the update installation without issues, but it seems to cause audio stuttering when playing games or streaming Netflix." One user or Feedback Hub also reported experiencing similar issues and no automated response in the app says the company has received the feedback. Another user on Feedback Hub pointed out potential audio problems after installing the Windows 11 security update. How to fix Windows 11 KB5034123 installation issues? If you are having problems installing the Windows 11 KB5034123 security update, you may need to perform an in-place upgrade. In most cases, installing the update using Microsoft Update Catalog doesn't work, so performing an in-place upgrade using Windows 11 ISO or Media Creation Tool is a better idea. To fix issue with KB5034123, trying the following steps. Install the Media Creation Tool from the Microsoft website. You can now run the Media Creation Tool, choose Create Installation Media for another PC and click Next. You can create an ISO file and allow the app to download the required files. Once done, run the setup.exe and select upgrade this PC now. Ensure keeps personal files and apps is also specified, ensuring nothing happens to your files or apps. If you followed the process correctly, your Windows installation will be refreshed and the computer will restart several times. Finally, you can head to settings again, try installing the update. This time you can install the January 2024 update smoothly. As with all updates issues, not every year is experiencing them. Microsoft is likely aware of the reports as the company has already acknowledged issues with Windows 10 and Windows Server 2022 updates.